Hello, in this video I want to show you how to take macro photos on Vivo Y16. And to do this we'll need to launch our camera. Here you can see the lens in the photo mode. Click on it and change to super macro. Now lift your phone and choose the object you'll be taking the macro photo of. Get it somewhere close but not as close to make the photo blurry. And also make sure that it has a very good light. And that's how you take the macro photos. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.